Good day to all of you, my fellow students, lovely professors, and beloved classmates. My name is Jamela Custodio, and I am a member of the Group 3. I'll be serving as your subject instructor for the topic at hand today. So in today's talk, we will define and describe the non-probability sampling method, often known as non-random sampling, and also its types and purpose. So, in a non-probability sampling, kung saan ang word na to not, ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng members sa ating population has the equal chance of being selected. Na kapag medyo malayo ka, maaaring may chance na hindi ka mapipili. O kaya naman pwede ring maging factor ang ating timing. It can also rely on the subjective judgment of the researcher. Kung sa probability sampling, umaasa tayo sa chance to get our sample, sa non-probability naman, mas merong hawak o control ang ating researcher. So, let's discuss kung ano ba yung mga types sa non-probability sampling para naman ma-differentiate natin sa ating probability sampling. So, first, let's talk about convenience sampling. When we say convenience sampling, pumipili tayo based on availability ng member or proximity to the researcher. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na convenience dahil kung sino-sino yung respondents na convenient na malapit or madaling malapitan ng ating researcher, sila yung mapipili as part of our study. Remember this ha? When we say convenience sampling, it's also known as accidental. Kasi kung nagkataon na nandun ka sa lugar at oras na ginagawa yung research, maaaring mapipili ka as part of our sample. O kaya naman, opportunity lang, tamang opportunity, and grab sampling.
Hi everyone, I'm Mheryll Padalapat, your lecturer for today's video. Now, I will be discussing you about what is quota sampling and its advantages and disadvantages. So, let's start. What is quota sampling? It's a type of non-probability sampling in which you create a sample of individuals who represents your target market. You choose these individuals according to quotas or categories that represent specific characteristics of your audience. Ideally, the final sample should have similar proportions of individual with these characteristics as the entire audience. For example, a study to investigate the proportion of apple and orange who eat at homes. The first step is to divide the population into subgroups. This second step is to identify the proportions of these subgroups in the population. The third step is to select subjects to form sample group. The advantages of quota sampling are: sample can be controlled for certain characteristics, low cost, fast, no sampling free. And the disadvantages of quota sampling are: not a good representation, impossible to assess error, and biased sample. When to use quota sampling? Quota sampling is used in both qualitative and quantitative research designs in order to gain insight about the characteristics of a particular subgroup or investigate relationships between different subgroups.
Good day everyone, I am Mylene and for today I will teach you about purposive sampling. Purposive sampling, the researcher uses his or her own judgment about which respondents to choose and picks those who best match the purposes of the study. So, from the word purpose, the samples are chosen based on the goal of the study. Ang researcher is na-asjay control kung kinsa ilang pilion nga respondents. These respondents, they could have knowledge or they are experts sa study nga gihimo. Example, kung maghimo tag research about psychology, so atong piliyon nga respondents have knowledge or they are experts in the field of psychology. So, for example, we have the psychologist. Another example, if we talk about education, then atong pilion nga respondents could be teachers, professors, deans, division superintendents. Kay kani nga mga tao, they have deeper knowledge when it comes to education. So, again, let's all remember that purposive sampling is based on the goal of the study. So, here, natay kana illustration. So, this one is the researcher, and these are the respondents nga iyang pilian. So, kani in the red marks, these are the respondents who have knowledge sa study nga gihimo sa researcher. So maong non-probability sampling ang purposive sampling kay if na ay dili available nga tawo so di man siya mapugos. So dapat mo ni atong mga traits nga atong i-consider. So that's what purposive sampling makes a non-probability sampling. So another perspectives when it comes to purposive sampling mao ang traits or conditions nga kinahanglan sa study. So example, nakay research sa science nga ang concern is about CBC or the age group. So ang imuharang kinahanglan sa pagpili sa respondents mao ang CBC o ang age group. Kani nga sampling is very specific, so limited lang pwedeng mahimong appeal sa study. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Melaine Galve and I'm going to discuss about snowball sampling. Snowball sampling. Snowball sampling has achieved increased use in recent years, particularly by researchers conducting observational research and in community studies, and conducted in stages. In the first stage, a few persons having the requisite characteristics are identified and interviewed. These persons are used as informants to identify others who qualify for inclusion in the sample. The second stage involves interviewing these persons who in turn lead to still more persons who can be interviewed in the third stage and etc. The term snowball stems from the analogy of a snowball, which begins small but becomes bigger and bigger and rolls downhill. Also called chain referral sampling, particularly useful in Durian studies in subcultures, drug addicts, and etc. The snowball sampling usually used in observational research and conducted in stages. Example, kay isa ka respondent, then mag-recruit siya og tulo. Then the tree was tasked to recruit another 3 members, and etc. That's all. Thank you.